We are live. All right. Hello, everyone. Let's tweet this, and we are good to go. Riveting, I know, if you're watching after the fact. All right. Let's make sure we can have the chat work. Or the stuff, you know. And then we'll get going. Let's test it. 3 watching. All right. Can you hear me? Everything look okay? Yeah, that Wildcat. Hey, man. Oh, crazy. I didn't know you could do that. There we go. Now they're the same. Oop, wrong thing. Over here. Let's get this going. All right. I guess I'll do the same in terminal too. Nope. There we go. Alrighty. I assume everyone can hear, or they would have commented otherwise, so that's good. There's a lot of people that have opened this document. Huh. All right. Okay. There's a crash with undo, and someone said how to reproduce it, so we're going to check that out. I don't have a ton of time this morning because I have like client work to do, but yeah. Is this the one? Yes. Okay. Draw something, keep your finger pressed down. Oh, that's a different bug. I fixed that one too. Open an existing board, tap to undo, close the board, open the board back up, tap undo again. Okay. Oops. Okay. I spent like 20 minutes trying to get this camera to work as my video camera and gave up. So, MacBook camera with terrible lighting per usual. I kind of want to build a big like LED panel here, but haven't done it yet. All right. Some solid test documents. So undo, which does nothing. Close. Open it again. Undo. Doesn't do anything. What did he say? Open the existing board. Tap undo. Open the board back up. Press undo again. Didn't work. Maybe actually undo. Close it. Open it. Undo. That works. I don't know how to reproduce this. Maybe it's only on the phone. I don't have it my phone. That's okay though. Test flight. Which I also don't have on my phone. So just hey Rafa. So just yesterday, 2 days ago, I crashed my drone into a car, or a car crashed into my drone. Whatever. It's on my YouTube channel if you want to check it out. So I had to wipe my phone before that though, because the iOS beta doesn't work with the DJI app. So yeah, sometimes the phone with the computer crashes the stream. I don't know what's up with that. So I'm just gonna do it here real quick and see if I can reproduce it on the phone. So very exciting, I'm sure. Okay, open, draw, undo, back, open, draw, undo, undo. Yep, works fine. Poop. All right. Well, I'll see if I can get a video from that tester and figure it out. Another bug. Let's check this out. This is a known issue. I'll explain why in a second. I'll reply to this guy real quick though. All of his feature requests are on my list. Old version. Okay, let's fix that. Close this. What did he want? Oh, save pan. Okay. So, yes, let's fix that. Yeah, this is Planet of the Apps. Hilarious. I think I tweeted a while back. They asked me to be on that, and I was like, no, thanks. I'd like send them a video or something or whatever. But I was in Amsterdam at the time, and I was like, this is gonna be annoying. I don't want to I don't know. It was just like, this is a bit of a hassle. I'm not gonna do it. And then after seeing the trailer, I was like, thank goodness I did not do that. Okay, so there's been a bunch of requests. One is if you swipe to delete, it goes away immediately. Sometimes. I don't remember what that bug was specifically. Or if you draw real big here and then go back and open it up again. Oh, it's still there. Oh, it's because I'm on the local server is insanely fast because it's on my computer. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do it. The problem is I'm caching them in memory, and then when you leave, it refreshes it from the server. So if you beat that connection, then you'll see the old data. So we should just update it with the local state afterwards. Yeah, Max is saying in Spectrum, almost all the user requests are already on their list. It's it just takes a while to implement it. I mean, it's cool to validate feature requests for things I already want to do. So it's cool, I'm working on the right things. I just feel bad I can't work faster. Okay, so let's fix this problem. Well, this is easy to demonstrate. This is what I was going to do. So let's draw here. I'll add some red just so it's like super clear. We added stuff. Okay. Now I'll turn the server off. Goodbye. Okay. And now if I close this and open it back up, it's gone. Because we're simulating the server being really slow to respond. Or being down, I suppose, or whatever. So if we leave, now the server's back, and open it up again, it's there. So that's definitely the problem, and that's causing a few other problems as well. So I want to do two things. One, add pull refresh to this view, which should be really fast. And two, whenever you leave a drawing, update our local state with that drawing. Eventually, I might want to switch to Realm or something. Right now, it's just all in memory, but for now, we'll update the memory representation. Cool. So, yeah, okay, let's do pull refresh first because that'll be really fast. We are using a table view controller, and there's a way to do this that I don't remember. I think I just set it on the thing, so I don't need this since we're in a table view controller. Refresh control. Yeah. This is so dumb. You have to like make a property for it and save it, but then set it. It's kind of, I guess you don't necessarily have to have a property for it. We'll just do that. This is how I usually do it. I can never remember. This is like the silliest. What do I want to do? You can set a title on it? Really? I've used this thing forever. You can set a title on it. Who knew? Let's do that. NS attributed string hello. That's, when did that get added? I guess since 6. Crazy. I had no idea that was around. All right, and then we can set self refresh control to refresh control, and we'll add a target for it. Add target self refresh reload. There it is. To primary action triggered. Okay, that should work. Yep. Oh, I got some intercom. Oh, yeah, and it's Tyler. Perfect. Oops. There we go. Too many monitors. Okay. Refresh. I'm going to rename this reload just so it's like slightly more consistent. We'll add obc so it's accessible from the UI control. Refresh. And, hey Tyler, he's commenting in the chat. I'm sure there's a delay. He could like comment and go back and see it. Anyway, refresh. And then over here, change this to refresh. And we're good. How's that for technical support? Like, watch me literally fix your bug as I'm, like, I don't know. It's kind of funny. All right. So I should be able to, hello? I had no idea. That's pretty cool. I mean, I'm obviously not going to keep that, but pretty neat. So refresh. I think I have like a loading thing already. Don't I? Yeah, is loading. Okay. So refresh. If is loading. Refresh. Begin. There we go. End refreshing. That should be good to go. Nope, that's not at all what I wanted to do. Yeah, because it's so fast. Let's switch to production real quick and just see what that looks like. It should be a little slower, so we should be able to see the animation better. Oops. You know, I was looking at the stats over the weekend, and last week you all watched 6 days worth of live streams. How crazy is that? That was like kind of mind blowing. Like 96,000 minutes or something like that. It's like pretty nuts. And there we go. The real server is a little slow. I mean, it's intentionally underpowered right now just to save money. When I launch for real, I'll turn it up. Cool. Well, pull refresh works. Undo this. Oops. I'm so bad at Vim. Jeez. Oops. This one. I always feel like that's dangerous. Do my 1Password on the stream. I mean, it's a super long password, so I don't think you'd guess it, but anyway. Version 1.0. Pull to refresh. And I guess we don't need that. Great. Save. Cool. Turn it. There you go. Yeah, what else? Okay, we're gonna update the list. It's weird here that this is blue and it's the proper, oh, never mind. I feel like somewhere I saw it and it's like the wrong blue. No, it's right there too. Weird. I feel like I saw it somewhere and the blue is wrong. Whatever. All right. Okay, so now we need to update the model when update the other models when this one changes. So one solution is I could switch to Realm, and we could do that, which would be fine. We could also just update the model with a delegate, which should be also fine. I guess let's do that because it'll be the smallest change for now. I don't need Realm anywhere else yet, so I don't want to overcomplicate things. We'll say we'll just make a delegate. Editor will close. Nope, that's not how that works. I always name these like Objective-C style because I never know like how to do it in Swift. This is going to be annoying for ones you open links. If you open a link and it doesn't get presented directly, or you use the shortcut, those sort of things will not be working. Maybe I should switch to Realm. This is why I've been putting this off, because I feel like it's not that important, but it's like kind of a lot of work. I'll just do this. We'll just do this. Okay. So boards view controller. Can't wait for file private to be gone. Index of view controller dot board. course it is. Okay, so basically the way this works, we'll get the board from the view controller, and then we'll make sure we can get the index of it in our list of boards. And then when we, if we get it, then we'll just replace it with our current state. So then when it'll be like up to date. We'll just need to fire this delegate message when we close. This won't work if you create one. We should do that right away too. We'll handle that separately. Man, I should switch to Realm. Alright, fine. Switch to Realm. There's too many places. It's like just too fragile. I just need to do it. Realm Coco, I think. Oh, that's the wrong file. This file. Well, that's going to take a minute. Let's see if there's any other crashes while we're at it. Oops. Nope. There we go. There's a few. So that's undo. Undo, undo, undo. They're all the same. I will email Sentry because these should be combined. All the same crash. Oh, I see. It's something's garbage, so it's not combining them the same because it's different things that it points to. It's like it's some random object it's going to point to because it's talking to garbage. So that's why. That makes sense. What is this? Is that like the crash code? I don't know. All right. So that's my only crash. I just still don't know what's causing it. Let's see if we can get some information. No, we cannot. And it makes sense. It's because it's like in the target action system. Firefox activity. Oh, it's just garbage. It's not necessarily. Yeah. There's Tyler. I believe that you're experiencing the crash. I just can't reproduce it. Pretty frustrating. Is this still going? Still going. So, there's 23 people watching right now. Do you just like... I don't understand how at like either 12:30 or 9:30 everyone's not busy. I mean, Max is in Austria, so maybe it's a different time. I get that, I guess, but I'm curious about everyone else. And Rafa also. Different country, different time zone. I don't know. I mean, I'm glad you're here. It just makes me curious. Like when I'm out during the day, I'm like go to a coffee shop to like work for a few hours, and I see people just like sitting there like reading a book. It's like, do people have jobs? Like, I mean, it's fine. I'm not like, judging them. I'm just like curious of their situation. Seems like a very carefree life to just like go read a book in a coffee shop in the middle of the day. I don't know. I'm into it. All right, this is taking forever. Yeah, Austria. 6:30 p.m. in Austria currently. So, the more you know. I think we're almost done. Have we done Realm yet? We haven't. Ugh. That one's going to take forever, I bet. Oh, it's probably pre-compiled. JP's always good about that, which I appreciate. Yep, Realm's next. Should be a quick one. We should be good to go. Apparently, Intercom doesn't support video. He tweeted it. All right. Let's check this out. Open in Safari. Really, Twitter? Cool. Okay. So, really, intercom? Kind of in the way there. What? Okay. He missed undo. I see that. Looks like he's tapping intercom. Huh. Okay, he said he tapped undo accidentally, or tapped intercom accidentally before tapping undo, but then he tapped undo. I am using Starscream for streaming. Someone asked in the chat. It's pretty good. I mean, yeah, it's good. What the heck? Okay, so you're watching, Tyler. I appreciate that. I'm just gonna open it, click undo, which is nothing because there's nothing to undo, and then close it, and then open it, and then it still does nothing. I can draw, undo, close it, open it, draw, undo. That still works. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. If you have any thoughts, I'm all ears. I got a tweet. Maybe it's him. It's not. It's can I say that, Adam? Is that okay? We'll let me know. Tyler's thinking. This is fantastic. This is the best debugging experience with a user ever. Okay, can't say it. No worries. We're excited though. I'm talking to a mysterious Adam about something that's unrelated to everything we're talking about. Don't worry about it. Glad I asked. Delete the app, reinstall, try again. Well, no, if you're getting it to crash, it's great. It's good that you can reproduce it. I just deleted it, reinstalled from test flight on my phone. And for the life of me, it doesn't happen. The steps being open an existing board, draw, undo, close the board, open the board again, draw, undo. That works for me every time. But I'll try again real quick. Is this finally done? It is. I already said that. Where's my mouse? My computer's going so slow with the stream going. Very tempted to spend too much money so I can stream my Mac from my PC to have a dedicated thing for it. Also, the PC has a pretty sweet graphics card, so it should be fine at encoding video. It has a great CPU too. Whatever. Anyway, my fans are on fire is what I'm getting at. This is the wrong tab. I was also compiling for a bit. No wonder it's struggling. Copy, add. Nope. Framework. When you open it and click undo, the state appears to change. When I do it, there's nothing to undo. It changes the state and makes it appear darker. I think what you're doing there is see? The color's wrong. I knew I was seeing it sometimes. I don't know why that happens. The intercom color is just sometimes wrong. I don't get that. But I signed in again and it worked. I don't know. Okay. Click undo. I missed and put a dot there. So now if I tap it, it works. Open it again. I should fix it so you can't miss the button. That's a good call. But yeah, I can do it again. Tapping it. Oh, I see. Because when I tap it, it's disabled. It draws because there's it's not preventing the touch because there's no button. That makes sense. So you can just keep mashing undo, which is what I'm doing, and it's showing a dot every other time. Close, open, undo. I wonder if you're beating the server. If that has anything to do with it? No. Yep, I definitely cannot reproduce this. I'll wait a second for the server this time. Then try it. Nope. He is the iOS beta. That could be it. Yeah, I downgraded to the release on my phone and on the simulator. We can try it on a beta simulator. Let's see what the what Sentry has. Is it get Sentry? I can never remember the domain. Sentry.io. Got it. Projects Inc. iOS. Is all of it Tyler on the beta? No, I know that other people hit it. Let's see. So 10.3.2, he can reproduce it. Jonathan. Open a new board. Draw. Close. Open and undo. How are you tapping undo though? It should be disabled. Is the button not disabled when you open the board again? So new board. Draw. Close. Open. Undo. Ha! There it is. I got it to happen. All right. Thank you, Matthew and Jonathan. Fantastic. This has been a team effort. Okay, let's see if we can make this happen on the simulator, because that would make things easier. I can draw and close it and then open it. And it's still enabled. That's crazy. It shouldn't be, because there's no undo stack. That makes perfect sense. Oops. Okay. So it's not related to the beta. Happened here on the release. Great. Okay. Why is that the case? Well. Welcome back to Realm. Okay, so that's going to be an editor view controller, I think. Where do I set the undo manager? It's on draw view. Where does draw view get its undo manager? Is it just like implicit? Undo manager. Is it any view? So now if I close this and open another one, is it still there? It is. That's not good. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah. Well, thanks for your help. That's great. Okay, so whatever setting this isn't clear in its state, and that's a problem. I don't know why I couldn't reproduce it with the other steps, but whatever. So I guess what we'll do is when the view controller opens, we'll just clear the undo manager. That seems like it would fix it. I really would like to know what the semantics are for it being reused, but whatever. Here we'll just do editor view. Why isn't this completing? Whatever. Hey, Caleb. Got some tweets. Different Max. Someone tweeted, like, how do you know I'm watching? That's funny. I did not know, but now I do. So, all the Maxes. All right. So, the future is now, indeed. Okay, so we're going to do this. Oh, we're going to make a new board. That's what we're going to do. We're going to make a new board. We're going to draw. We're going to leave. We're going to open it up again. And it's still there. It should not still be there. Why is it still there? Frustrating. And we crashed. Yep. Oh, it's in the draw view. That'll do it. That'll do it. Where'd it go? This is messy. I'd rather the undo manager be the view controllers and then inject it into the draw view so I can support shake, which you probably almost never want, but, you know, seems like a cool thing to have. Also, if you do that, it works with the buttons on the keyboard, which I don't believe works now. Also, we don't have the keyboard up, so I guess it doesn't matter, but anyway, for life of me, couldn't get that to work, so I haven't done it. Why? Why is it still there? Maybe I should do it on close? Because maybe it's nil there or something? I don't know. Close. Remove all the actions. And yeah. Yay! No more undo. Yay. That was it. One line change. Okay. I'm out of comment, actually, so I remember. And now we can go back and mark literally all of the crashes. Yep, as resolved. You gonna go away? What's up? There we go. I'm just gonna go through these two real quick, and then we can work on the other stuff. Okay. Ah, that is a good call. I did not realize that. I will do that now. This guy, I'm not even sure I know who this is, but he has had some fantastic feedback. What's going on here? Oh. All right. My fans are going nuts. What was I doing? I was doing something. Feedback, text, things. Info. Ink uses your photos to save. Ink uses photos access to save boards. And if you're using it to do support, I'm fine if the copy doesn't look totally right. And hopefully you've seen it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm fine with that. I wish you could have it conditional, but you can't. Update photos, copy. I can put that in the release notes because it doesn't matter. Test, huh? Ha! That's a good bug. Man, I also was not aware of that. I have a thing somewhere. Is this in board plus, I think? The renderer? Nope. Where is that? I think it's just in regular board. Right? I moved all my stuff around. Make cropped image. Do I have like a make image? Oh, no, it's just here. Okay. context for layers. If layer is enabled. Continue. Let's test out this first and make sure. Okay. Save image. Let's check it out. Check. Okay, both. Bad. Okay, so now here we want to make sure only enabled layers, and we also want to do that for the cropping stuff. We'll just do it here. Oops. I'll do it up there. For and I think I need this somewhere else. Yep. Same here. Great. That should be it. Date formatter. Yep. Okay. Let's test that. Fixing all the bugs. It's great. Huh. Other way. We want to filter. I'm a dummy. Filter to just enabled. In both places. Duh. Okay. Let's try it again. Also, how great is Intercom? It's like the best way to get user feedback. Yeah. Yes. Alrighty. Fix that one. I will update the copy because I know he reads it. I thought I saw a notification somewhere. I don't know what happened. Cool. Yep. That's like the number one piece of feedback. People don't like how the erase interaction works. And I know I just want to like do a better job. I want to redo the whole thing. I just haven't like worked on it yet. So I'm not gonna like do it halfway and then I don't know. Maybe I should just do it, but I don't really want to right now. I'd rather work on some other stuff. Okay. So oops. Get out here, trash. Undo crash. Woo. I think I pulled a refresh in here somewhere. I used to. Whatever. All right. I'm going to do peek and pop real quick in the dashboard. Oh, that'll be annoying on the stream because I need the device, and it's hard to do that. I'll do that later. It's pretty easy, though. Better list loading. I need to do that, too. Sure, it doesn't work if you're already drawing. Yep. Again, need the device for that one. Remove secrets. I want to remove all my secrets from the repo and change the ones that already have been exposed to new ones. So down the road, I could open source it and not have to worry about that. Something I learned from Canvas. The 10 color broke. Yeah, I need to redo that. Shake to undo, no idea. I'm just going to move this down to future. I'm not going to save that for launch because it doesn't matter. I guess I could test this real quick while we're doing that. What does the padding look like on here? That looks fine to me. I'm not worried about it. Well, I'll try real quick. I added some padding around it, so if you message it to someone, it will look nice because messages like crops it a little bit to make the rounded corners. Yeah, and it's not getting cropped. Well, I guess it's not. No, that one's in the corner. Yeah, I'm fine with it. All right, this is done. Unless it gets reported again, I'm not going to worry about it. Open link while board is open with UI feedback generator. I don't know what that means. Open link while board is open. I don't think I meant this. Open link while board is open with UI feedback generator. What does that mean? Oh, whatever. I'm going to delete it. I don't know what that means. Didn't sound important. I added UI feedback generator in like a ton of places, so it should be fine. Loading and three fingers are going to, or zoom and three fingers will be related. Okay. Well, we're definitely getting there. Yeah. Well, it's been 48 minutes. I was going to probably switch to, nope. Probably switch to Realm for that one and figure that out later. Well, this is good. I'm going to do release with these 4 bugs we just fixed. That'll be, I'll just do it right now while we're wrapping up. Product archive. Cool. Yeah. If you have some feedback for these, let me know. Ever try the weird... Oh, yeah. Tyler also reported a device orientation bug. I will add that to my list. Device orientation bug. I'll do that not on the stream as well because I need the device words. Thanks. I'll reopen your conversation. Well, I'll have it here. I'll ask you about it if I have questions. Frankly, though, it's kind of at the bottom of my list. I think the bug is if you're drawing and then rotate the device and continue drawing, it like kind of freaks out. I think in practice you do that very rarely, so I'd even be fine to have 1.0 ship and that still be a bug. But I'll try to fix it if I can. This is version 153. Go ahead and upload that. I hate that I ask you the team because you specify the team in the project. Like it already knows. Like don't ask me. Just do what I want. Frustrating. All right, version 153. And now, whatever. No, I want like now. I don't know how to do that. Delete, make a new one. I like this tool, but it's not my favorite. I would definitely do some things differently if I were to make it. I've been thinking about making this tool or like making a release notes thing more for iOS people. I think this is a much more geared towards web people, which is great, and like I think it's awesome. It's just not what I want personally. Anyway, yeah. So this is uploading, and that'll come out shortly. So if you're already in the beta, I hit cancel like an idiot. If you're already in the beta, then you'll get this in a few minutes. So that'll be cool. Todd said he found it while he was laying down drawing and it rotated accidentally. That's pretty funny. I love that you're like jotting down things in ink as you're falling asleep. That's pretty great. Anyway, if you're not in the ink beta and you'd like to be, you can go to whiteboard.ink and there's a thing right here to request access. It takes you to the form. Oop, close that. Don't want to show all the email addresses. And yeah, I'd love to hear what you think. This has been awesome. Friggin' 4 of us working on this bug at the same time. It's fantastic. Super appreciate all of the help, everyone. Like, so great. So, this will come out soon, and that'll be that. Hopefully this was informative and entertaining. If you have any feedback, please leave a comment. I read all the comments on all my YouTube videos. So, yes. I would appreciate that. Got a tweet, anything relevant to this? A quick tip for the union. Let's check that out, Tim. Bounding box. That would be so much easier. I've used union before. I don't know why I'm not doing that. Let's do that. Okay, we're not signing off. We're fixing this thing. Thanks, Tim. All right, so we're just going to do rect equals layers 0 dot. Oh, the reason I'm not doing that, this is why I didn't do it. Thanks, Tim. No, you can get the bounding. Okay, never mind. Forget me. I was thinking it was a path, so it's hard to do. But path is bounding box, and that's all I need. So I can just do this. Oops. Rect equals layers. Oops. Layer dot path dot bounding box. I could even just map, or what's it called? Reduce. That's what I want. Layers dot reduce. Initial result is 0. Question. I'll do layers the first. I'll test this and see if it works. Dot path dot bounding box, and this is going to be path. Oh. How does this work? It's the result in the layer. Okay, so this is going to be union path dot bounding box. Look how much less code that is. This is fantastic. Is that going to work? Should work. Is this still uploading? Jeez. Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure if I can use 0 here or if I need to use the first one. That's the only thing. I'd prefer to use 0 because it's cleaner, but let's see. Oh, got more comments. Max was saying every time he learned, or ever since he learned about reduce, he uses it like for everything. I feel the same. Like when I learned map and reduce, I was like, man, I'm so good at programming now. I'm gonna use it for everything. And sometimes, like this code is arguably less readable than before, but it's pretty dang concise, which is cool. Reduce is boss. Thanks, Jonathan. All right. Save. Let's see how this looks. Yep, works fine. Let's try 0 and see if that works. I'm just not sure how union works with 0. If it will, like, I guess say you started really far away from 0, would it union it from 0 to there, or would it just start with that one? I have a feeling it's gonna make it huge. We'll find out. Yep, it's making it huge. Can you tell? Okay, not doing that. Undo. Save. We can go look and just see how hilarious this image is real quick. Yep. There it is. Yes. Alrighty. That's what I thought. Cool. So I feel gross doing substring 0 here, but that's why I explicitly check if it's not empty. So I make sure that that's going to be safe. Just FYI. Reduce for the win. Should have left that 1. Very gamer. Okay, well that's cool. No user facing feature there, but definitely prettier code. Thanks, Tim. I just think to use reduce since it was, I don't know, I should have just done that. That would have been so much better. Is there anything else down here? I could for each here, but usually if I can't for each and pass just a method in, I won't do it because I feel like for is clearer, even though it's like more code and not as fancy. I don't know. Just like it better. Okay. This was fantastic. Thank you, everyone. What a productive 57 minutes this has been. All right. See ya. Yes, it always asks, and I'm like, yeah, and then I have to like